Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut. First, choose fresh, firm green cabbage heads, as quality ingredients are key. Next, remove any damaged outer leaves and the tough core. Then, thinly slice the cabbage into fine ribbons. It is important to weigh your prepared cabbage accurately, as this measurement will dictate the precise amount of salt needed for proper fermentation. This initial preparation sets the stage for delicious, homemade sauerkraut. Now let's talk about salting. For every 5 pounds of sliced cabbage, you will need 2 tablespoons of fine sea salt. Sprinkle the salt evenly over the cabbage, then begin to vigorously massage it with your hands. This active process helps to break down the cabbage cells, releasing their natural moisture. Continue massaging for about 10 to 15 minutes until a significant amount of liquid, or brine, has formed at the bottom of your bowl. Once the brine has formed, it is time to pack your sauerkraut. Tightly press the salted cabbage into a clean, wide-mouthed glass jar, ensuring there are no air pockets. It is crucial that all the cabbage remains fully submerged under its own brine. To achieve this, place a fermentation weight or even a smaller, clean jar filled with water directly on top of the cabbage. This keeps everything below the liquid line, preventing mold and ensuring proper anaerobic fermentation. For fermentation, place your jar in a cool, dark spot at room temperature, ideally between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow it to ferment for a period of 3 to 6 weeks. The longer it ferments, the tangier the flavor will become. Once it reaches your desired taste, transfer the finished sauerkraut to the refrigerator. Stored properly, your homemade sauerkraut will keep well for several months, ready to enjoy anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.